Hello everyone, welcome to solve this nice math Olympiad algebra problem. So here we have a b plus 2 to the power of 4 is equals to 16, and we solve this problem for all the values of b. But here you remember one thing is that our b should must be belongs to r. This means that we solve this problem for only real values of b. So the very first thing we are going to do is first we move the term 16 from right hand side to the left hand side, and it will be written as b plus 2 to the power of 4, and this is 16. When we move it into the left hand side, it will becomes minus 16, and this whole equation is equals to 0. So we rewrite this equation as this is b plus 2 to the power of 4, and we write it as b plus 2 whole square and its whole square minus this is 16. We write it we write it as 4 square, and this whole equation is equals to 0. So here we use the nice algebraic formula. You know about that. If we have x square minus y square equals to x minus y times of x plus y. So according to this formula, we write the above equation as in this form. So here our first factor is x minus y. The value of x is b plus 2 whole square minus the value of y is 4 into the second factor is x plus y. Again, the value of x is b plus 2 whole square and plus the value of y is 4, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And now we divide this equation into the two cases. The first case is we write b plus 2 to the power of 4 minus 4 equals to 0, and the second case is we write b plus 2 whole square plus 4, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And we will call that this is our equation number 1 and this is our equation number 2. We need to solve both of these two equations, and we get here the real values of b. So for this, first we need to focus on equation number 1, and equation number 1 is implies that here we move or here we rewrite this equation as this is b plus 2 whole square minus this is 4. We write it as 2 square, and this whole equation is equals to 0. So here we again use this nice algebraic formula. So according to the above formula, this will be written as b plus 2 minus 2 times of b plus 2 and plus 2, and this whole equation equals to 0. You see here this is negative b and positive b are gone, and we get here b times of b plus 2 plus 2 becomes 4, and this whole equation equals to 0. And now we divide this equation into the two cases. The first case is we write b is equals to 0, and the second case is we write b plus 4 equals to 0. From here we easily get the value of b is equals to minus 4, and this is the b is equals to 0. So these are the two real roots which we get here from equation number 1. And now in the same pattern we will solve our equation number 2. So that equation number 2 is copied down here. This is b plus 2 whole square plus 4 equals to 0. So here we move plus 4 to the right hand side, and we get here b plus 2 whole square is equals to minus 4. And here for the values of b, we need to take square root on both of the sides and it will be written as in this form. This 2 and this square root are gone, and we get here b plus 2 is equals to, when we apply square root on both of the sides, we will be write here plus minus sign on any one of the sides. So here we write plus minus sign, and you know that a square root of 4 becomes 2, and square root of minus 1 becomes here iota. So here we move plus 2 to the right hand side, and we get the values of b is equals to minus 2 plus minus 2 iota. So you see here these are the two complex roots because this is not belongs to r, but we solve this problem for only real values of b. And so this is complex value, so that we will be rejected these two roots here, and we have only two roots are b equals to 0 and minus 4. So these are the two real roots. But now here in the next step we need to verify that is these two roots be the solution or extraneous root. So for verification of these roots, we need to copy down given question statement. Here it is b plus 2 to the power of 4 is equals to 16, and in this side we will be verify b is equals to 0. and in this side we will be verify b is equals to minus 4. So here first we verify b is equals to 0. So for this we put b is equals to 0 into the left hand side, and it will becomes 0 plus 2 to the power of 4 is equals to 16, and 0 plus 2 becomes here 2, and 2 to the power of this will becomes 2 to the power of 4 is equals to 16, and we get here 16 is equals to 16. This shows that b equals to 0 is satisfied our given question statement. And now in the same pattern we verify the second value of b, and we put this value here, and it will becomes minus 4 plus 2 to the power of 4 is equals to 16. Minus 4 plus 2 becomes minus 2 to the power of 4 is equals to 16. And you again very well know about that minus 2 to the power of 4 is also becomes here 16 equals to 16. So this shows that again both of the sides are equal. So finally we have the solution set of this problem is 0 and minus 4. So these are the two solutions of the given equation, and this is our final answer. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.